Sony C710N. Immerse yourself in sound. Dive into sound with advanced noise cancelling. Experience distraction-free listening with the C710N. Dual microphones enhance noise cancellation by detecting and reducing surrounding sounds, ensuring a more immersive audio experience. Need to stay aware of your surroundings? Ambient sound mode lets you seamlessly blend your music with external sounds for a natural listening experience. Learn more about noise cancelling. All-day listening with long battery life. Designed for comfort and convenience, the C710N delivers up to 8.5 hours of battery life on a single charge, plus an additional 21.5 hours with a charging case. That's a total of 30 hours of uninterrupted listening. Discover more about battery life. Crystal clear calls, anywhere. Stay connected with superior call quality, even in noisy environments. AI-powered voice pickup ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. Powerful sound for every track. Sony's unique 5mm driver and digital sound enhancement engine, bring your music to life with deep bass, crisp vocals, and well-balanced audio, making every genre sound its best. More about sound quality. Sleek, sophisticated design. With a compact, elegant design and 4 stylish colors, including the all-new glass blue, as well as pink, white, and black, the C710N combines aesthetics with performance. Key features. Headphone, enhanced noise cancelling, dual microphones for improved noise reduction. Battery, 30-hour battery life, 8.5 hours per charge plus 21.5 hours with case. Telephone receiver, crystal clear calls, AI-powered voice pickup for superior clarity. Musical note, premium sound, 5mm driver with C for rich, immersive audio. Artist palette, stylish and comfortable, compact design available in 4 timeless colors. Ready to elevate your listening experience?